Hi, I'm Michele Newman, the High Vibe Life Woman, here with the Love Vibe. We got the beautiful sounds of these tingshas. I hope you can hear the birds. They're so pretty here. This is my backyard. This is my redwood tree in my backyard. Isn't she beautiful? Ooh, she's so beautiful. Look at that. Woohoo! I love this redwood tree. I come out here and hug her every day. I know you've all heard me talk about hugging trees, and you've seen me hug the little tree in my house by my desk. But she's beautiful. Beautiful mama tree. She's big and been here a long time. One more time. Isn't she pretty? It's summer solstice tomorrow, and I'm here to celebrate summer solstice with you because I got a download. I got a spiritual guidance from my spirit guides. Many of you who know me know that I get spiritual guidance from my council. And the guidance I got to talk about for the summer solstice is about telepathy. Well, how many of you practice telepathy? I talk to this tree all the time. I love you. I love you. I love you, my mama tree. I know lots of you talk to your animals. Most of us talk to our animals. We understand that. And how many of you are practicing an inner communication with others? I got the hit during COVID when we were all staying home that it was such a healthy thing to be calm and quiet and just be in a more meditative space during COVID, because rather than constantly talk, everybody talks all the time, including me. We all talk so much. But how many of us are really picking up on the deeper meaning? We hear the words, but we're so tuned into words. It feels like it's very important to tune in to an inner guidance, not just from your spirit guides, not just from your animals or our beautiful plants or trees, but to tune in to really communicating with people on a deeper level within. So we have so many modes of communication. We've got this video, we've got phones, we've got text, we've got all the different social media. I have people contact me on Messenger, and then they switch to text, and it's the same conversation. And there's millions of modes of communication, but how good is our communication really? So I feel like it's so important for us to, I felt like COVID and all these social medias and everything that we've been practicing, it's like we're learning to just let go of all that. We're learning to just Zoom people, just beam them, just send them the message. Just sit quietly and send the message of what you gotta say. And the more we practice, the better we'll get. And I think that the COVID time was a perfect example of that, because we were all tuning in, and yeah, we were online, we were checking each other out online, but we were also tuning in to a higher level of communication. So many of you know my dear husband Eliyahu, and a lot of you know he's writing a book called We Are From the Stars. He's from a planetary system called Altara. And in his book, which is almost done now, he writes about how they communicate with telepathy and the way they just beam to each other, heart to heart, mind to mind, and also how they have the ability to put up a wall, like a firewall, to put up their screen when it's not meant for other people, when it's only meant for certain people. Like, let's say we want to have a conference call with 3 people, and we just zoom out everyone else and we zoom in to those 3 people. So now there's 3 of us or 4 of us having a telepathic communication. And it feels to me like the telepathic communication is much cleaner. Words just get in the way. I mean, for me too. I'll say something and then I go, well, that's not really the best word. I didn't choose the right word. That isn't what I really meant. You all know what I'm saying. We all say that. And so what I am offering for you to tune into for this gorgeous long summer days, aren't they amazing? It was light till 10 o'clock last night, and it's going to stay that way for a while. I just love these long summer days, hanging out, enjoying the warmth. So what I'm offering for this beautiful summer solstice, this moment of stillness, this moment of feeling the cycle of Mama Earth, this moment of just tuning in to the tune-in of the earth. Tuning in to the transition. Let's take time to tune in to our own inner ability to communicate and the best way to communicate and how we can best help each other with communication. Maybe you want to practice with somebody. Just say, okay, well, at 3 o'clock you think of something and I'll think of something. Then we'll communicate and see what we were thinking and whether you got the message. It feels like it's so important to bring that out more than ever now, and to really say, let's communicate for real. Let's not worry about all these social media and all these different modes of communication, and let's communicate on a deeper, bigger level. I get these all the time. Some of you have received phone calls from me and said, yeah, you popped into my mind and I felt like I should communicate with you. So of course it's a phone call, but I start with my heart and soul. My mind is going, oh, that person. And then I've got a picture of you in my head. And then I've got a message. Okay, I'll send it to you. Then I'll call to make sure that you're getting the message, of course. So I offer the summer solstice telepathy patterning. Practice it, play with it, quantum jump into your own ability to really truly be telepathic and not so concerned about devices. So I hope you get to practice that. I hope this is meaningful for you, and I hope this download message fills you with the beautiful joy of the longest day of the year, summer solstice. It's tomorrow, and I'm so excited to just breathe it in, just be with the summer solstice, sending you lots of telepathic blessings, just holding you, just beaming you with love. Keep beaming each other with love. The more we can practice beaming each other with love, the healthier our planet will be, and the less we'll have yap, yap, yap. The less we'll have the hate that exists, the walls that we all put up because you're not like me and I think differently and, screw you. We could have a lot less of that. We could create peace on earth if we all just say, you get my meaning? I care about you. I may feel differently, but I still care about you. It's okay for us to be friends. So start beaming the people you love and the people you want to practice with. And lots of beautiful solstice blessings. Go hug your own tree. Don't you love her? Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. One more time. Woo-hoo! She's really tall. We have a hawk that lives up at the top of that tree. There's a hawk that comes and lands right at the top. I love talking to my hawk. Let's talk to the hawk. Words don't matter to her, just the beaming that I do. So keep beaming. We're beaming. There's the sunbeams. Beaming you with lots of love. I'm Michele Newman. I'm the high vibe life woman. So stay in that high vibe. Lots of blessings.